taxi pass there so every 2 minutes. And if uno there so for more than 10 minutes, I not jump in a cab. Wanna think?
Well, bossy, we'll finish up the drink less than 5 minutes. And when we finish, we go cross, go use the same rubbish bin. Preps, and then cut. But the block did empty. We only see one man walk in and walk out.
You think the block empty? Me say it earlier, you know. That block there, anything jump off in less than a second. So the man them always out. Whisper. This nothing happen again. You hear me? You young lady, don't take up yourself and jump up on no apps. Find out if me know.
Yes, boss.
I'm responsible for you. Your life in my hand. I'm responsible for you too. So now make this happen again. The orders come from Mr. Mullings. From Mr. Mullings to me. And from me to Uno. To you. This what we're in a very serious. So now make it happen again.
Copy that, boss.
The two need for focus. Focus.
So I'm Chopper. You know the extra clip.
Chopper, you know you're a baby now, why though?
Youth, you have to shoot and count here.
Oh, go on Spanish cutlass.
Yo, Stone, here me I tell you now. I eat this at them for selling money to his school with them, you know. And the lie me I tell you, you know, see that? And the lie me I tell you.
That you say. And when me tell you that, brother, Father, forgive them, for they know not what they have done. Never try rise the father against the son.
If there is a killing, it must be done.
I have white lime in it, and a cement.
Yeah.
And I could dig a hole of cement in grass.
No.
Yo, Chopper, how much warning me give? Remember them says tree striking on your out. Deal with it then.
Yo, father, remember me for deal about it personally.
That is it. Nothing.